Ever received a PDF on your iPhone and want to quickly fix something in it? Maybe you want to update text in your resume, add extra information to a document, or insert your photo into a PDF. Well, editing PDFs on iPhone is now super easy. In this video, I'll show you how to edit PDFs directly on your iPhone for free using Systweak PDF Editor, a simple offline app that keeps your files private and secure. First, go to the App Store and download Systweak PDF Editor app on your iPhone. Once you open the app, you will see a very clean and simple interface with all the PDF tools easily accessible. Now let's edit an actual PDF file. On the home screen, tap on the plus icon and then select Open File. Now choose the PDF file you want to edit. Once the PDF opens, you will see that it is currently in viewer mode. Simply tap on it and switch it to content editor mode. Now suppose you want to correct something in the document or add extra information. Just tap on the text option at the bottom. Now tap anywhere inside the PDF and start typing. You can easily add new text, change the font style and size, adjust text color, align the text properly. Now let's say you also want to add an image to the PDF. For example, I want to add my photo to this CV. Simply tap on the image option at the bottom, choose a photo from your gallery and place it anywhere inside the PDF. You can easily resize and reposition the image according to your needs. Once you are done editing, simply save the PDF file on your iPhone. You can also share it directly from the app via email or WhatsApp. What I personally like about this app is that it keeps PDF editing simple and beginner friendly while offering all the important tools in one place. Along with PDF editing, you can also compress large PDF files, add your signature to documents, password protect sensitive PDFs, combine multiple PDFs into one file, and access many other useful PDF management features directly from your iPhone. So that was it. If you want to try it out, check the download link in the description below. Which feature did you find the most useful in this app? Tell me in the comments below. Also, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful videos.